आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, welcome to Doubtnut. The given question is differentiate x square e to the power x from first principle. Okay student, so let me solve this. So I can write the given function as f of x, which is equal to x square e to the power x, right? Clear up to now? So now we have to solve using first principle. So I can write ddx of f of x, which is equal to, using first principle, limit h tends to 0, this function would be f of x plus h minus f of x upon h, right students? So let's put the value over here. So I can write limit h tends to 0, this function would be x plus h whole square, because we have to add h over here, whole square, into e to the power x plus h, clear up to now, minus x square e to the power x upon h. Okay, so if we further solve this, we know a plus b whole square, so we'll put there. So limit h tends to 0, this function would be x square plus twice xh plus h square, okay, h square into e to the power x plus h minus x square e to the power x upon h, right students? This is our whole value. So let's solve this. So I can write the given function as limit h tends to 0. This function can be written as, we have to multiply this function with this function. So I can write here x square e to the power x plus h minus of, if we add this function would be x square e to the power x upon h, right students? Plus this function would be twice of xh e to the power x plus h upon h, and the last one would be h square e to the power x plus h upon h, right students? This is our given function. So let's solve this. So I can write limit h tends to 0, and this function would be, if I take x square e to the power x common, x square e to the power x common, we are left with e to the power h, right? E to the power h. So here we add plus and minus, here we subtract and add my x, okay, upon h, clear up to now, plus this function would be h would be cancelled out, and this function would be twice x e to the power x plus h, okay, plus this function would be h cancelled out, and this one is h e to the power x plus h. Okay students, this is our function. Okay, so we know the property students. Here I can write, here if I take common, there is 1. Okay students, don't forget there is 1 as well. So if I take common, we know that e to the power x minus 1 upon x, which is equal to 1, right? So here what can I do? I can cut plus x minus x, this one is minus x, so this one would be cut out, and it is in the form of e to the power h minus 1 upon h, so this is 1. So I can write limit h tends to 0, this one is x square e to the power x, this function is 1, plus this one is twice x e to the power x plus h, okay, plus this one is h e to the power x plus h. Okay students, so if I put limits, if I put limit h tends to 0, this one would be as it is, which is x square e to the power x, plus if I put 0 here, this function would be plus 2x e to the power x plus h. Okay students, clear up to now, and this function would be 0. So here the value of x would be 0, so e to the power x. Okay students, so if I further solve, I can take e to the power x common, so this function would be x square plus twice x. Okay students, so this is our f dash x. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।